Hello there, this is NOPEname. The year 2019 will end soon, so I decided to make a channel update video because quite some stuff is going on at the moment related to my Minecraft content. So if you still haven't noticed, I finished the first episode of Project Zelda, so you can download it. And I started working on the second episode. I will show you something later. For now, I'm in this Minecraft world of mine. I built this part of the city here just for fun. Because I like building stuff like that, and it's not for any map or project, just for fun. But I've been testing some mechanics here that aren't related to the city. I'm working on an update of my gun pack because the current version is kind of broken, unfortunately. And yeah, I haven't been 100% happy with the gun pack at any time. I just wanted to release it, and yeah, that is what happens when I release something which I'm not 100% happy with. It doesn't work the way it should. There are problems, and yeah, now I decided to use arrows again. Let's see how that works out. And so the AK here still has the old mechanic, so it doesn't do anything in the new one. So for only this pistol has the new mechanic, and it will shoot arrows. Maybe you can see them. Yes, you can see the arrows. And I implemented a mechanic that detects which entity got killed by which player with a gun, even though I'm using arrows actually, and I think it works quite well. Yeah, I will revive my private server. I said private. And I will do some test runs with some people that I invite, and when we will see if this works the way it should. I think moving entities are a problem again. As always. Yeah, you have to shoot in front of the cow to kill it, because if you shoot directly at the cow, nothing will happen. I don't know how to handle that. Yeah. This gun pack, it always creates stress. On one hand, it's fun to play around with these guns, but on the other hand, I don't like them that much, because it doesn't work the way I want it to work. Meh. Okay, so that's enough of this thing. Let's see. Yeah, the other thing is I'm going to continue working on this thing here. I already made a video about it, but yeah, I'm planning to add some more features, like you will be able to actually move to another screen, and you won't be able to walk through walls, and there will be basic enemies and loot and hearts and so on. So it will pretty much be the same as my old version, where the screen consisted of blocks. You could move through a bunch of these screens here, and yeah, you had enemies and loot and stuff like that, but it won't be a full recreation of the original Zelda game. That's too much. Alright, now let's take a look at Project Zelda. I'm currently working on the second episode, and mainly two things have changed already. The first one is I'm working on a new island. I'm not happy with this design, so I will change that again in World Painter. Yeah, it's called World Painter. I will probably remake that. And if I'm happy with the basic shape of the island, then I will add beaches and stone on top of the mountains and trees and stuff like that. And then I will copy it into the world of the first episode. So yeah, that's that thing. And the other important thing I made so far is I'm working on the translations. So far I don't have made actually translations, I only prepared the mechanic. So previously in the functions and command blocks that created the output in chat, for example when you talk to villagers, it simply had this text thing here, and now I'm using translate, and I'm now using that, and there's a file in the resource pack that tells Minecraft, if you see this text here, replace it with this text. And if you want to make a translation into another language for this map, for Project Zelda, you simply have to modify that one file in the resource pack. It contains all the text from the map, and if you translate all that stuff, then you don't have to walk around in the actual map and look at every command block and stuff like that. So that should make everything a lot easier. And that's basically it so far. I'm preparing the translation stuff, and I'm working on the second island here. So yeah, in 2020, it sounds so weird to say that number, in 2020 you will see the second episode of Project Zelda. I will also publish a download for that NES Zelda recreation. That isn't a full recreation. There will be an update for the gun pack soon, and yeah, there will probably be more content, but that's the most important stuff. Alright, I hope you're looking forward to it. See you next time. Bye.